Hi, good morning, little ones. How are you all? So, last time in our last class, we have done A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And now we are going to start with K. Okay? Again, write the date on the top. Today is 1717.04.20 and we have to write classwork CW, and for homework you have to write HW. That's right. Now we are going to start with K. Now, K again is a roof letter starting from the first red line till the second blue line, and we have to make a dot between this first blue line and second blue line. See it very carefully. Not here. We are going to make a dot here. Have you seen that? Just see it very carefully. Again, make a standing line from red line to second blue line and make a dot between the two blue lines. And from here we have to slant up and slant down. That makes a K. That's make a K. Again, standing line and between the two blue lines slant up and slant line down. That's K. Now again, standing line, slant up, slant down. Now small k, you don't have to touch this slanting line to the red line. You don't have to do it. No, it is just between these two blue lines you have to write. Okay. Now again, make a standing line and slant up, slant down. That makes a K. And what is the sound of K? It's K. Sound of K is K. And again, we have to draw something. Now, what you are going to draw? I am going to draw a kite. Kick, kite. Kick, kite. You can draw anything. You can draw a kangaroo, a kite, anything. Okay? And now put a finger gap. We have to write L. L. It's just a standing line we have to make. So easy is it, right? Again, a standing line, that's make a L. Standing line, that's make a L. Standing line, that's make a L. So, L, L. Sound of L is L. Like you are licking a lollipop. L. Okay? And L for lollipop, L for lion, L for lamp. So anything you can draw. I am drawing a lollipop. Okay? This is a lollipop and you can lick it. L. Okay? Okay. What comes after L? M. Now again put a finger gap. Write down M. Now, M you have to write between these two blue lines. Make a standing line and make a curve and down, curve and down. 2 times you have to make a curve and down, make a curve and down. This is M. Again, between these two blue lines, you have to draw a standing line. And starting from here, you have to make a curve and down. Again, make a curve and down. This is M. And what is the sound of M? Like a mama had made a very tasty, yummy thing for you. You like it, then you say, yummy, right? Like that. So again, standing line, curve down. So there are two curves and down in M. Again, curve. Okay, and M for monkey, M for mummy, M for mango. Yes, I am going to make a mango. Just draw everything and color it as well to make your notebook more beautiful. Okay. Now K, L, M, N. Right? Now put a finger gap and then we will write N. Now for N you have to start from the first blue line till the second blue line and then make one single curve and down. So in M we did twice the curve and down, but in N we have to do just once. Okay. Now N, again make a standing line and a curve down. Standing line and a curve down. Standing line and a curve down. So this makes N, right? And N, what is the sound of N? And N for nest, N for nuts, N for nurse, N for nail, right? But I am going to make a nut. Moofly, nut. Right? You just have to color it. You can make a nest, you can make anything. Okay? Next, K, L, M, N, O. Now, small O is just a small circle between the two blue lines. The first blue line and the second blue line. So, it's just a simple circle. Now, look it very carefully. Make a circle in between the two blue lines. That's O. And what is the sound of O? Aw. That's right. The sound of O is aw. So, O for orange, O for octopus, O for oil, right? I am going to draw an orange. So, that's an orange. You can make anything and color it. Okay. Now, what comes after O is P. That's right. Now, on the fifth line, next line, we have to write P. Now, P is a hanging letter that goes down and touch the ground. Okay. Now, starting from the first blue line, touch the red line and make a curve. That's P. Again, starting from the first blue line, touching the red line and a semicircle, that's P. Again, starting, then P. And then again, P. And what is the sound of P? It's P. Sound of P is P. And P for parrot, P for peacock, P for pear, and P for pen. I am going to draw a pen or a pencil. Okay, I am going to draw a pen. Okay, that's a pen. Okay, and you can draw anything. Anything starting from P. What is the sound of P? P. Right? Now, what comes after P? Put a finger gap. That's Q. Now, Q again is a hanging letter. what you have to do is make a C first, and then starting from the first blue line, go down, touch the last red line. That's the root line. Okay, that's Q. That's Q. Q again. Make a C starting from the first blue line, go down, touch the red line, and just bit of it out. That is Q. Again. Q. Q. Okay. And Q for queen. Q for quill. Right? I am going to make a crown of the queen. And what is the sound of Q? Quer. Sound of Q is quer. So that's a queen. Okay, that's a queen. Right? And what comes after Q is R. Now, standing line between the two blue lines and a bit of curve that goes up and touch it. That's R. R. Again, just see it carefully. Make a standing line and just go up and touch the upper blue line. That's it. That's R. R. Again, standing line, go up and just a curve. R. Standing line, just a curve, and that's make R. Isn't it that easy? Right? Again. Now, what is the sound of R? Is R. R. Right? R for rat, R for rose, R for rabbit. Now you can make anything of your choice. I am making a rat. Now it's very easy. Just see how I am drawing it. Right? It's a rat. Rat. Now next, what comes after R is S. Now, like the capital S, a smaller s is also the same. So you have to draw a small c and a ulta c within these two blue lines. Just see it carefully how you have to write S. Just between these two lines, you have to make a Seedha C and an Ulta C all together. Okay, that's make S. S, sun. What is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of S? S. So I am going to draw a sun. You have to draw. You can draw anything. If you want to draw a sun, you can draw a sun. If you want to draw a snake, you can draw a snake. Okay. Now, what comes after S is T. So, we have to write T. How we have to write T is make a standing line and a curve and sleeping line. Again, make a standing line and a curve and sleeping line. That's T. Standing line and a curve, sleeping line. That's T. Standing line, a curve and sleeping line. So, T-T, T-T, tiger, T-T, tree, T-T, toast. Okay, I am going to draw a tree. Now see carefully how I am drawing it. So, that's a tree. Okay. Now we have done K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T. We have done all these letters today. Just do what we have done in homework also. The same way you have to do it. Okay. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep revising the phonetics, everything. Okay. Bye-bye.